Hey guys, Tariq here with another 1-minute lesson. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite ways to stay organized in Lightroom. Say you just finished a shoot and you took 221 amazing photos, but you only wanted to edit 15 of them for yourself or to deliver to a client. A really easy way to separate the best photos from just the good photos is by first making sure the photo is highlighted and then simply clicking the B key. You'll know you've done it successfully when you see this prompt appear. Now let's do the rest of the photos. Once you've clicked B on all of the photos you are planning to edit, you will find them in the Quick Collections folder where they are separated from the rest. Now you don't have to search through hundreds of photos for that one shot you saw and wanted to edit. The Quick Collections folder is a great way to stay organized. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm for others to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next video.